So pretty much carrying on from yesterday's weekly review, we are in this triangle. We've got quite a few levels that we need to pay attention to. And just looking at the US market this morning, I think we're going to be pretty cautious to see what happens. Looking to buy in this area, so between 1200 and 11800. So somewhere between there, we are looking to buy for a move back into this triangle at least, or a retest of the triangle break. But as far as I'm concerned, this has been a strong move up. We're consolidating and we're looking for an opportunity to buy again. At the moment, we are range bound. You can see that fairly clearly between these two levels and the moving average, and we're in a triangle. So typically that means be cautious, stay safe, keep the money in your pocket until you start breaking through these levels. Okay, so that's pretty much my view on the DAX at the moment. We are in a triangle, we're in consolidation. Until we break this and retest it, I'm not too interested in making any trades on this at the moment. I think there's some Forex opportunities that offer better opportunities right now, specifically this morning. So that's kind of my view on the DAX at the moment. It's really short and sweet. We're going nowhere. Don't bother with it at the moment. Okay. Anyway, I hope it helps. If it does change, I will put the trade up on the trading channel, on the Telegram channel for you. But at this stage, I'm still on hands. I'm not really interested in this right now. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.